Introduction to if else statement in Python. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the if else statement in Python. We already know if is used for one condition, if else is used for two conditions, but what if there are multiple conditions? That's where if else comes in. The word elif means else if, and it allows Python to check multiple conditions on one after another. If condition 1 is true, first block runs. If elif condition 2 is true, second block runs. Elif another condition is true, the third block runs. Else default block runs. Python checks conditions from top to bottom. As soon as one condition becomes true, Python executes that block and skips the rest. For example, if marks are above 90, grade A, elif marks are above 75, grade B, elif marks are above 35, grade C, else fail. This makes program smarter becomes because Py- because Python can handle many choices. And slide 2, real life example and recap. Now let's understand with a practical example. Marks equals to 82. If marks greater than or equals to 90, print grade A. Else if marks greater than or equals to 75, print grade B. Else if marks greater than or equals to 35, print grade C. Else print fail. Since marks are 82, the first condition is false. The second condition is true, so Python prints grade B. Let's take another example. Temperature equals to 20. If temperature greater than 40, print very hot. Else if a temperature greater than 25, print warm. Else print cold. And the output will be cold. This shows how Python selects the correct option based on the condition. Important, only one block runs, the first block true one, which is the true first of all. So the first true block one only runs first. If else if and else is used in grading systems, weather maps, traffic signals, ATM menus, and login systems. So today you learned what if else is, how multiple conditions work, and real life examples. This is powerful concept for building smarter Python programs. Keep practicing. Happy coding.